If you want to post a YouTube short video by using iPad, first thing you need to shoot the short video. Okay, now just open your iPad camera and switch to videos. Then hold your iPad like this, vertically like this, and just record your video, short video. Actually, you can record the video more than 1 minute, but while editing we need to cut that to 59 seconds. After this, just tap. Okay, now the video was ready. Here you can see it's vertical, 9:16 aspect. Here you can see the aspect. So now minimize this and open App Store, and here type InShot, search, and open this video editing software and just install this app. This is the best app for beginners and pros too. Just click cancel. Yeah, I will start my career using InShot app also. Now just click video and import the video. Just click this plus icon. Now just select the video, and click done. Yeah, this is the video. Now just tap the video and click here. Yeah, now the video was added. Now this is the editing page. Here you can add the audio, external audio or music if you wish, and here some stickers. This is text option, and here some filters. You can change the video color like this. If you want to cut the video, let's say if you want to cut here, just click split and it will split it like this. Then tap this and click delete. Now it's removed. So basically this is how you need to do. And if you want to speed up the video, here you can see this option. And if you record the video horizontally, you can also change here. Just click crop, and here choose the aspect ratio to 9:16. It's for YouTube Shorts. Just like that, here you can change that. Then you just go through the steps. Then after this, move it to the corner, and you can cut this watermark. Just click this X mark and free remove. Then ad will be play. You need to watch that ad just like that. Then click this X mark. Now click this share icon, and here you can choose the resolution. I leave it for default 1080, and I just leave it for everything and click save. Here it's saved to the iPhone gallery. That's done. Now I just minimize this and open gallery. Here you can see the edited video from InShot. Okay, now it's time to upload the video. Before upload the video, open Notes app, and you need to make this as ready before you upload the short video, like title, description, and links and tags like that. So just take a screenshot if you wish. You can use this pattern like that. It will speed up the process. So after this, minimize this and finally open the YouTube app, and you can directly upload here or just click Shorts and click plus icon and video, and select the video, short video we edited. Yeah, this is. Now click next. Now just click upload. Now click you and scroll down your videos. Here you can see where short video was uploading. Now the short video was uploaded. Here you can see. Now just click these three dots near the short video and click edit. Here you can see it converted as short video. Here just click this and go back to here, just copy the title, long press like this, descriptions, add description, and same goes here. Just came here, just select the description like this, copy, and just long press, paste, back, and make sure it's selected to public, and audience, make sure it's selected, no it's not made for kids, and location you can add if you wish, then add to a playlist. I just click shorts and done, and altered content no, because we doesn't use any something like that. Now add tags, go back to notes, enter a tag and place comma, then enter the second tag and place comma like this. If you place the comma in between tags, it will automatically convert it as a tag when I show you. Now just long press, paste. Here you can see everything was converted as an individual tag. So that's why I have shown here, and now click save. Now the short video was published. Now minimize this and open App Store and type YT Studio and just install this app. After that, it's official YouTube app. Just open the app and click content. Here you can see that short video. Now just click this and click edit. Here also you can edit the tags and those stuff, same as like better than YouTube app. So make sure everything was selected. Yeah, this is one another way. Let's see how our short looks on YouTube app. And this is it. Yeah, this is how you need to make a short video on iPad. And if you want to know more videos about iPad, watch these videos.